Minister, umhlaba wonke uyawubona uyanyakaza ngenxa yama-tuck shop abawabonayo abantu bangaphandle. Wona uzibona unganakiwe la eSouth Africa noma ileli parliamente kunakwe abantu bangaphandle. Minister, kunombuzo engifuna ungiphendule ngawo ukuthi why ungatsheli ohlangana Zulu noma labantu abamashayo emadolobheni abalisana nalabo abantu bangaphandle bokufika kumabhizinisi ukuthi kunemali ewu5 billions lena ekhishwa amazwe angaphandle ewakhiphela abantu abakulelizwe abazohweba kanjalo nama permit resident umbuzo permanent resident umbuzo wami ke
Thank you, Honorable Kaula.
why abantu babuke wena bayashaya
Honorable Kaula.
esenyuke emgwaqweni wena uthula awuyi kochaza
Mama Kaula.
bala ngokusemthethweni phendula
Honorable Kaula, I'm going to switch off your mic now if you don't listen. Honorable Minister.
Thank you so much, House. Umhloniphe uKhawula uyayazi kakuhle njengelungu elenza umthetho apha. Intoba umphathiswa ojongene nokuphuhlisa amashishini akhasayo akanali ilungelo lokwenza lento athetha ngayo. Lo msebenzi athetha ngawo wathi 5 billion, that is a determination for those that must get a business visa. It's 5 million rands. Under the Immigration Act, Section 22, it is administered by the Department of Home Affairs, not the Department of Small Business Development. Ngiyabonga mhloniphe.